How's it, guys? We off on a trip to Durban, so I want to quickly run through my equipment that I'm taking along. My clothes took about 5 minutes to pack. I just dumped everything into the suitcase, but this camera equipment took a bit longer, and I'll quickly run through what I've got and what I'm taking with me. Okay, to start off with, the Sony camera body, battery inside, tripod foot firmly attached already to the Metabones lens adapter. I've got the 16 to 35 mm lens on it with the Metabones adapter for some landscape shots, and I've got the 24-70 and the 50 mm Canon lenses just as spares, and then for the bird shots more especially, I've got the 100-400 mm. Spare camera body is my Canon 6D Mark 1, battery fully charged and charger behind it. And then I've got the DJI Mavic Air, spare batteries, spare props, Polar Pro ND filters, the charger, the remote, using my Godox reflector set as the drone launch pad. I've also recently acquired a small bag. I didn't get the DJI Mavic Air bag that comes with the Fly More combo, so I've got a small carrier bag for that DJI drone. Then some of the other equipment I carry along, Fuji Instax camera just for some quick snaps, Allen keys for the tripod as well as the tripod mount base. They come in handy. A circular polarizer and an ND filter for the 16 to 35 mm. That will come in handy for the landscape shots that I'm planning to do. Various cloths and lens cleaners, a roll of tape just in case something needs taping up, power bank, because I can charge my Sony camera with a USB, memory cards for both the cameras as well as the drone, which takes a micro SD memory card. It's a bit of a schlep because they're different. I don't know why DJI just didn't put a normal SD card in there. Then my Manfrotto 190B tripod, trusty companion to all my trips. Hopefully I'm going to get some star shots and Milky Way shots on the trip, so I'll need that tripod for the long exposures. The Manfrotto bag that everything goes in, so it will need to go in now. My jacket in case of cold. I'm going to be up early in the mornings and late into the night, so you need a jacket. And then of course the car keys.